Hi, Kathy here from Kathy 2 Creations. Today I'm going to unbox the Bark Box. I want to call that a Barks every single time. Alright, it says Bark Slope Street Fair. Here's what it looks like. Alright. Let's get it open, and it says Bark invites you to the Bark Slope Street Fair. It says, don't fill up on fluff. Stay by your pup's side while they sample from the street fair. Alright, let's see what they got. We have some fresh fare, soft and chewy treats, chicken and bacon sandwich recipe. Here's the first one. And then they have Bark City Sniffer's Guide to New York City, Steak Chew of Liberty, Beef Snacks for your dog, from the makers of Bark Box. There's the other one. And then it looks like, let's see, they have a pig ear chew, 100% pig ear, sourced and made in the USA. I don't know if I want my dogs to eat that. I think I'm going to be giving that away. I wouldn't even want to eat it, let alone have my dogs eat it. And then we have two toys for Dewey, of course. So the first one is a roly cannoli. So, oh, it's Velcro too. Well, oh my gosh. Okay, so first it looks like this. And then I guess you take him, you open him up, and there he... That's cute. He's gonna like that. He loves these toys. And then the next one is just as adorable, and it's a box. They are calling this one Andy's Famous Dumplings. Let's see if it's got a dumpling in it. Oh, sure enough. Okay, I need to cut the top. Let's see. Yeah, let's do this here. Oh my gosh, what they would think of. Alrighty, so let's take the little twisty up there, and we got a couple of dumplings, and let's pull out a dumpling. And yes, the dumpling squeaks. Here's a dumpling. Looks like we got 3 dumplings in here. Here's a dumpling. And number 3 dumpling. He's got his little eyes closed. Oh yeah. So that's pretty neat looking. Oh my goodness. And it's got a little Velcro top on it to seal the box. That's cute. He's gonna like that. And this is what the little paper on the inside looks like. That's the view that your dog gets when it's walking along on the ground. It only gets to see the feet of people. Well, that's it from the Barks box. I hope everybody enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time for another unboxing. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.